hate apologizing.
Go on.
Apologize.
I hate apologizing.
It's okay, things happen for reasons that I can't ignore, yeah.
Type of bitch you don't give a fuck. Falling in love.
Mabel, do you believe in ghosts?
I believe you're a big dork.
Pooh, how are you? They took my fucking eye.
Do you get deja vu? Every time I kiss you, baby, I feel the sound of breaking down. Two hearts that beat as one. Two hearts, I need you, I need you.
You want a taste of my brain? Okay, it's yours anyway. A bite of my eye.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Apologize. Come on, apologize. 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 Come on, apologize.
Everybody's a killer if you push him far enough.
Can I say it just once?
Only if you wish to suffer.
Get over here!
Uh-oh, send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round.
Wow, that's a very good question.
Yeah.
That's a good question. Yeah.
So are you gonna answer the question?
Yeah, no, it was a really good question.
Look at me like I'm alien. Bitch, I'm fucking reptilian. Bitch, all y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch. Hi. What's your talent?
I can read minds.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You the main attraction. Lights, camera.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Kind. Que te dé lo que te quiera, párame el tubo.
I want to put it in my mouth. Don't put it in your mouth, that's dangerous. I'm hearing what you're saying, but I'm looking at that and thinking nom nom nom. But it would kill you. But nom nom.
the air and move with the sound to the earthquake. Kill those bastards, and I do it again too.
Then I don't know what love is. We even got a secret handshake, and she loves the music that my band makes. I know I'm young, but if I had to choose her or the sun, I'd be one nocturnal son of a gun.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow bow bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow bow bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow bow bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga.
Someone take me home. Home, a place where I can go to take the song to shoulders. Someone take me home.
I don't want your soul. Then what do you want from me? For my gift? All I ask is you do the one thing you're good at. And what's that? Fight.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer too. I'm crazy, all for the love of you. Daisy, give me your answer too.
Got a secret.
Can you keep it? Swear this one you'll save. Better like it.
In your bucket.
Taking this one to the grave.
If I show you,
then I'll know you won't tell what I say. 'Cause two can keep a secret if one of them is dead.
Every friend group has. I will win the knife fight by bringing more knives. I will win the knife fight by bringing a large gun.
I will win the knife fight with my bare hands and my bare hands alone. I will win the knife fight by simply stopping the knife fight from happening. And I am just here to watch whatever happens next.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God. If you effed up this song, well, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone.
I win.
Shimmy, shimmy, you shimmy ya, drank, swallow la la.
Check out this dope shit. Like, yeah.
Let's go. Big wave, yeah, to my break it up.
Nervous. I'm here to serve you customer service. I say dick by giving it CPR. I say dick by giving it CPR.
F-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends, so don't go look at me with that look in your...
She was just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen. So I took away her power, now her name is back to me. I killed that bitch Brianna with her body, with her name. So if you see me IRL, don't call me that again.
Now skip to my loo. Jersey, do 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 do. Oh my God, Leah, what the fuck? Leah, do the running man again. It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow bow bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow bow bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow bow bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga. Просто нельзя притвориться летящим. Привет, пока все опять кувырком, а я остаюсь дурак дураком. И я продолжаю терять и врать, и я продолжаю не умирать. На азбуке мог завернуть звонков на азбуке.
お前はもう死んでいる。
free paper.
It's just a secret, and I cannot be it. Honey, don't you love me? And you know it makes me sad. It's just a secret, like you always used to do. I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
Watch me make my first paper dragon. Part 2. Let's finish this thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Fazbear Entertainment would like you to put your hands together for the one, the only.
Whoa, my God. You're my favorite color. Oh my goodness. Hi. That is so crazy. Oh, I have you as an extension. You're so tall. Oh my goodness. Are you wearing a 360 camera? Are you gonna post it on TikTok? That is so cool. What's up, babes? We got a quick selfie with everybody. Love yourself, don't hate others. You do what you want. Culture kind of crazy, bro. I don't join them. I do whatever the fuck I want.
I don't know where I
Here's a dragon puppet tutorial you've all been waiting for. So when I'm drawing, I like to use Procreate. A free alternative to it would be Ibis Paintx. It's completely free and works just as well. Whenever I'm drawing, I always like to start out with a sketch, and I always make sure that the sketch fills up the entire page. Then I continue with the inking, and then I color it in. I'll make another video on how to make the eye, as I've been asked many times how do I make the eyes for my dragon puppets. Now, you save your drawing. Then what you do is you send your drawing to your laptop. The way I just do it is by airdropping since I have an Apple computer and an Apple iPad. Now what you do is you can open up an application that you can use to print anything off. I like to use Pages. So what you do is you go here to Photos, and you simply just drag and drop. Next, what you want to do is you want to make your drawing as big as you possibly can without cutting any bits off, just like that. Next, what you do is you do Command P on the keyboard. And that should pop up, and that's your printing thing. Now this part is a little bit more important, but you're going to only want to print off one copy. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to this window here and go to Arrange and go down to Flip, and you just want to flip the image over, because if you just print it off with the same side, you're only just going to get 2 of these. And let's print this puppy off. So now we have both sides printed off, and it should look like this. I'll be making a part 2 on how to cut these out. I do it in a very specific way. Please like and follow for part 2.
I wish I was a cat. No school, no works, just meow meow. Look, a fairy!
Oh, sorry, dude. I killed that fairy.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Don't ask questions. You don't wanna know. Learn my lesson. Wait till I'm
Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra. Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra.
I win.
You want a taste of my brain? Okay, it's yours anyway. A bite of my eye.
Minions! Tonight, we steal the moon!
Yeah, man, check out this dope shit. Like, yeah.
someone from choking. Stop. Stop.
I can't have you. No one can.
Ah, so you do feel something for me. And people say my charm is fake.
Who are you?
An angel. What's your name? Satan.
True friends are like diamonds, expensive and rare. False friends are like autumn leaves. They are everywhere.
I could hear you.
Gregory, you won't die. Staff only.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow bow bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow bow bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow bow bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga.
You took everything from me. Why? Why? Because it's fun.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Put your hands in the air and move with the sound to the earthquake.
To be or not to be? That is the question. You and I were meant to be. Don't make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here. Just kidding.
We're rich. We're the rich.
How to act when you see an attractive person. Quickly look away. Now slowly look back, slight smile, look down. Slowly look up at them. Start to wave hi, but then change your mind. Now laugh to yourself. Now dead serious. Now blow them a kiss. Blow them another kiss. Now blow them a French kiss. Flare your nostrils. Now flick your tongue like a lizard. Look away. Now start to look them up and down. Yes, up and down. Now squint your eyes and mouth the words, "Call me."
Click the button to feed me candy. Nom nom. Feed me more. Nom nom nom. More candy. Nom 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 nom. Okay, no more candy. My tummy's full. Nom nom nom. I said no more. Nom nom nom. Stop. Nom nom nom.
How I make my dragon puppets. I sometimes type up dragon puppet ideas. Normally it comes up with head shapes, ears, hair and any extras. Screenshot the images you want to use. Go to Ibis Paint if you want me to make a video showing all my ears, head shapes. Just tell me in the comments. Okay, now I'm rubbing out the horns I don't want. I tap on lasso. Then click the arrows. Then move it. Click the tick to save. Add another layer, then draw around it. Then hide the original layer. Go back on the outline. Remove this so it doesn't overlap. Optional. Here I'm drawing over it onto another piece of paper. This is my favorite part. Try not to push too hard that you scratch your screen though. Enjoy. If you need any help with anything, ask me. I can tell you or explain with a video. Here I pulled the paper up so that I could draw the jaw lower down. I took the part of now and flipped the drawing on that. Watch what I'm doing. Here I'm drawing around the pencil outline with a thick, black Posca pen. Add color to your digital drawing. Let's cut. Here I'm making the actual base of the dragon. If you want a tutorial, ask me in the comments, and I'll be happy to show you. Then stick it together.